Hey Mustangs, today I'm going to walk you through a quick tutorial on how to set up your iPad and reconfigure if you're having trouble getting started this year. So we're going to start out by going to the settings from the home screen. I want you to take a look at this left-hand menu and choose the general option. From there, down towards the bottom, you'll see a reset option. And from there, you need to choose Erase All Content and Settings. When you do that, it's going to ask you twice if you really do want to erase your iPad. And on both times, I want you to choose Erase. Once you finish that process, your iPad will look something like this. It may take a few minutes for the iPad to load, and then it's going to say hello. So make sure to press the home button to open up your iPad. And then it's going to prompt you to choose your language of choice. We recommend that you use English. And then it will also prompt you to select your country or region. Be sure to check United States. It should be at the top of your options like you see in the photo here. Then it's going to prompt you to go through the quick start process. You'll notice at the very bottom of the iPad, it says set up manually. We need you to choose the set up manually option. And connect to Wi-Fi. So if you are at school, you will connect to the Andrews ISD Wi-Fi network. If you're at home, then you can set the iPad up to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi, you're going to see a screen that says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. Once the activation is complete, it's going to take you to the remote management screen. And it's going to tell you that AISD will automatically configure your iPad. So click Next in the top right corner. And for elementary students, you're going to use your lunch number or student ID for your username and your password. Once you've entered the username and password, click Next in the top right-hand corner. And you should see a screen that says awaiting final configuration from Andrews Independent School District. This may take several minutes for this configuration to occur. If you have let it sit for quite a while and are still struggling with the configuration, you can always contact your child's teacher and they would be happy to put in a ticket with our IT department to have your issue looked at. Once the configuration is complete, it's going to prompt you to turn on location services. You do need to choose Enable Location Services. And then you should be at your home screen. You'll notice if you've reconfigured the iPad that several of the apps are waiting to load. Because you have connected your iPad to your network, those apps will automatically begin loading. Keep in mind that it may take several minutes to get all of them loaded. Again, if you have any further issues once you've reconfigured the iPad, be sure to touch base with your child's teacher and they will direct you as to how to move forward. Thanks so much. I hope you guys have